Hello po ulit. Throat and neck sign and symptoms pa rin tayo, sore throat. Sore throat. Both acute and chronic sore throat are due to heat, which may be full or empty. However, we should always check these symptoms with the findings from observation, especially in acute cases. A redness of the pharynx confirms the presence of heat, especially full heat. When diagnosing sore throat, the first thing to establish is whether it is of external or internal origin, and the clinical significance of this symptom will therefore be analyzed according to this distinction. Sore throat of external origin. A sore throat of external origin has a sudden onset and short duration. An external invasion of wind, a sore throat generally points to wind heat rather than wind cold, especially if it is very severe. Other symptoms include aversion to cold and fever, or body hot to touch, headache, sneezing, and floating rapid pulse. Sore throat of internal origin. A sore throat from internal origin is usually due to heat, which may be full or empty. In general, the sore throat from full heat is very severe and the throat is red and swollen, whereas the from empty heat, it is less severe, worse in the evening, and associated with dryness. However, a chronic sore throat also may arise from a long-standing yin deficiency without empty heat. In adults, the most common chronic sore throat is that from kidney and or lung yin deficiency with empty heat. This sore throat is not very severe, is worse in the evening, and associated with dryness of the throat and other yin deficiency manifestation. A chronic sore throat also may be caused simply by qi and yin deficiency without empty heat. In this case, the sore throat is mild, comes in bouts, is caused by overwork, and is associated with other qi and yin deficiency manifestation. In some patients complain of a sore throat that comes and goes according to the emotional state. If there is no redness inside the throat and there is no other sign of heat, it may be due to stagnation of qi of liver or lungs from emotional problems. In children, external wind heat has a stronger tendency to wind cold to cause the interior heat. If not cleared properly after the initial stage, it is very likely to give rise to residual pathogenic factors. When a child presents with a recurrent chronic sore throat, the two most common causes are either residual heat in the lung channel following an invasion of wind heat or an accumulation of heat on the stomach and large intestine channels due to retention of food. In the case of residual heat in the lung channel, the child will present a history of repeated invasion of wind heat, usually treated with antibiotics. Other manifestation may include a cough, thirst, a feeling of heat, red cheeks, and disturbed sleep. In the case of sore throat from accumulation of heat on the stomach and large intestine channels, there will be no history of repeated invasion of wind heat, but a succession of digestive upsets such as vomiting and regurgitation of food. Other manifestation may include abdominal pain, constipation, epigastric pain, and disturbed sleep. Treatment: points for sore throat of external origin, wind heat, large intestine 4, lung 11. Points for sore throat of internal origin, kidney 6, lung 7. Invasion of external wind heat, sore throat with acute onset, full heat in the stomach and intestine, severe sore throat with swelling. In kidney and or lung yin deficiency with empty heat, chronic mild sore throat. The sore throat are severe Chi and yin deficiency, chronic mild sore throat, aggravated by overwork. The sore throat are residual heat in the lungs, channel or heat in the stomach and large intestine channel, recurrent chronic sore throat in children. So if the sore throat is from the chi stagnation, liver or lung, chronic sore throat that comes and goes. Thank you po for your listening.